My daughter and I created a planetarium in our home.
There's so much stars in the planet. Why is there stars in the planet? Because
let me know which activity box you want. So there's early explorers. It says discover the world's wonders from ocean animals. So they have like different things that you could do, like animals, but it might be a little bit too young for you because it's from 3 to 5. And then there's animals, like wild animals, where you get to learn about animals. They have Space Quest, where you get to learn about like outer space and stuff.
I'm gonna get all of it.
Then there's Science Junior. Well, they give you the stuff to make a science project. Then there's World Edition, where you get to learn about things around the world, and it comes with books. Then there's Kitchen Adventures. This might be a little bit too old, because that says 7. Then there's Science, that says 8, so that might be too old. So, like, we don't have stuff on space. We don't have things on science.
Wait, but Mommy, guess what? I already was trying to make a space one with Daddy. You don't know how to make space one, so I canceled it.
You canceled space stuff?
Yeah, I was trying to make a space thing with Daddy, and there was some more plans, and I couldn't make and I don't know what one we can make, so I canceled that part.
Well, I'm just trying to figure out what box.
I like space.
You like space. So the space one might be a little bit older, but you're so smart. I think you can do it. I think you can do it.
It's here! It's here! Let's go open it. All right, girl. Come on. Here we have the Glowing Galaxy Space Quest, ages 5 to 8. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's open.
They have this. What's this for?
I don't know. Hold on. Let's grab all the stuff.
I'm just going to make a planet. Here's instructions.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, that's a whole
wow.
map. Oh, whoa, wow.
Yeah, he said, wow.
This is instructions.
You found the instructions. It says the life cycle of a star. Massive star, average star,
Fire star.
then becomes a massive star, a red supergiant, a black hole, a supernova, and a neutron star. And then if it goes this way, it becomes an average star, a red giant.
Maybe there's no instructions. Then you just make our new star, our own star.
What are we supposed to be making?
Maybe just make a star. Like, Daddy, we need you. We need you. We definitely need you.
Here.
We do need him, see?
Oh.
Yeah, screw.
Okay, hold on. So we just have to figure this out?
And yeah, wait, no we don't. We gotta charge it.
wow.
Let me go get some crayons because you can do this.
What is it?
It's a stencil.
Oh, look.
It's a stencil.
Okay, hold on. I don't know where the instructions are.
Wait, Mommy. A.
There's no instructions.
B.
Already, that's a negative.
It's on the back.
Oh. Like, what? Who gives kids a kit with no instructions, bro?
Oh, that's instructions.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so we're gonna build a planetarium, okay? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna attach 2 small frames.
What are frames? Oh, they're in here.
Yes. So open that.
There's the frame.
All right, and so
There's
it
2.
looks like we put this on the big one.
Mommy, we do this later at the end because
Yep,
this
that's
glows.
at the end. That's at the end.
This glows.
All right, there we go.
Here's some screws. This goes right here, and this goes on this side right here.
Okay, well, these have to be based on size. Smallest to biggest.
Smallest to biggest. That was like the smallest to biggest.
So what's the next big one?
That one.
Okay, good. So then put that one under there. So measuring. Which one's bigger, that one or the other one? Hold on.
They look like they're the same big.
Almost. Let's see.
This one.
Okay, there. We just have to put all the B's on one side and all the A's on one side. Okay, perfect. Alright, so it looks like we're going to stack them.
Oh, so then you turn it and then you put it
pop
on
this one out.
sideways.
Pop that one out.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Then put the other one.
Yep, pop the other one out.
That one was really hard, tricky. Ooh, I popped it.
Good job.
Now we just light it up.
Oh, like a little planetarium.
See, there's another
Oh,
part.
there's another part. All right, we'll do the ending part in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, so now the next one, you get to make a galaxy, a galactic light. All right, so you're gonna need a tea light, a small brand, this.
We need everything else.
Where's that black?
Oh my god! We're making this!
Ooh, okay, so
I saw that on My Little Pony.
you did.
Yeah.
Cool. And then it's gonna roll it. Good job. And then make sure it's all
It's flat.
flat.
I really don't like this a lot.
All right, move the backing from the tube, connect it, and fold it in half. All right, so then it looks like I folded.
Yep, you fold it to a
And
triangle.
fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
All right, here, help me. All right, press a finger through the center tube. Slap the fan out.
Okay.
Can you see me?
Yep. We gotta turn off the lights like that. Oh.
Right.
Boom.
All right, so then you're gonna line the hole.
Where the flat thing? So the flat thing goes in this little hole.
Yep,
Then we screw it.
no screwing necessary.
Oh, we don't screw it. Oh, we don't need a screw. We only use our hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one's a different one. So you just bend it like that. We're going to make we're going to make this.
Oh, so look, it goes around in circles.
Oh. You put this one right here, and then you shined it, and then you put another design you want, and then you shine it, and then you put another design you want, then you shine it, and then you turn to a different design. Pow! That was the light. It's where the light goes at the bottom.
All right, we did it. Okay, are you ready to go in the room? We're gonna turn off all the lights. All right, planetariums share the data captured at observatories and through other technology by showing visitor views of the night sky from various positions in Earth, and digital images are collected into a dome screen ceiling, displaying awe-inspiring peaks of the cosmos. Ooh, look at these kids. They're a different kind of scientist. Stars and constellations appear to move across the sky as Earth rotates on its axis and orbits the sun, whether through the lens of a telescope or by using, okay, what are they called? Those little pictures, what are they called?
Constellation.
Constellations. Good job, hand five. Ooh, yes, you learned a whole new word. What's the word?
Constellation.
Ooh, and what's a constellation?
It's for stars and planets, like any of that.
Mm-hmm, when they make a little picture, right?
Yeah.
Good.
And they have these little guys.
Good. So how do you count the stars that are thousands of light years away? Look, scientists, they make their best estimates by calculating the mass of our galaxy and identifying what percentage of the mass is made up of stars. Then they divide that percentage by the average mass of a single star, and you have an educated guess. All right, let's go see what they look
We gotta
like.
do that.
I got it. Let's go see what they look like.
Yeah.
They're stars.
Let's go. Let's lean out to see the stars more better. And
I
we can
allowed
jump
her to
super
use her
high.
imagination
See,
as she
look at
created her
this.
own stories in her
See?
new
'Cause
planetarium.
when you go to space thing, it's super cool, just like you are. But why is it super cool? Because it's really cool because stars. See, look, it's like angry. Is the star angry? There's a rocket ship. Look,
Oh no, what happened next to the rocket ship?
a rocket ship got crashed.
Oh no. Dun dun dun.
And look, it came right here.
Oh my goodness.
But
I
look,
hope
there's
there was
an-
no people on the rocket ship.
Yep, there are. They
Did
dead
Oh no, they died.
because it fell.
Oh, did anybody live?
No.
Oh,
But somebody is alive.
okay, so one of them lived. So then what happened?
Look, they're coming out.
There they are. Yay, one person lived.
Well, look, there's another one.
2 people, yay.
Look, there's another one.
3 people, yay. So I wonder what the people are going to do now that the
look,
rocket
all
ship
are
crashed.
alive.
Well, what are they going to do now that the rocket ship crashed?
They're going to jump to home.
They're going to jump in space?
Yeah, see? All right, 3. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. Push.
Oh, man.
We're at home.
They're home.
Let's see another planet. Let's see a planet.
So did you have fun?
Yeah, baby.
This activity allowed me to bond with my daughter in a way that we had never bonded before. We've never done like home experiments or any of those kind of, arts and crafts, but getting the little passport subscription box, especially the space edition, allowed me to see another version of her and her to see another version of me. I enjoyed the reading aspect component. I know I couldn't find the instructions, but once we found the instructions, it was pretty self-explanatory. I enjoyed the reading component, especially assessing her comprehension. The most rewarding part of doing this box was seeing it all come together as she was able to do storytelling, and I was able to see her just use her imagination, and we were able to just have that moment together. So I would definitely recommend this little passport subscription box. Like I said, we got the space edition, and it was totally worth our time and energy. And let me just tell you, I feel like every parent, every classroom teacher should have this experiment with their children.